Good evening, overthinkers. Welcome back to The Space, a mindfulness podcast for everyone. Are you angry at us? You sound angry. What did we do? You're happy? Oh, okay. We don't know if we believe you. Does this situation sound familiar? Whether it's with our partner or a coworker, we all have those moments when we're sure we're in trouble. They're talking loudly. They're talking quickly. Something isn't normal. Well, it turns out you can't always read into it. Researchers found that stress does impact how we talk. The thing is, it's not only in a stressful moment. Apparently, after a hard day, our breathing becomes more rapid, which causes us to speak faster, louder, and with more intensity. The effect can go on for hours, long after we think we're calm. In other words, we don't always know how stressed we actually are. So, how can this help us? For one thing, it helps us play detective. Check out your partner's tone with no judgment. Are they talking fast? Are they speaking loud? Ask them how their day has been, and don't always trust their answer. If you find your voice upping its pace, it could be a call for self-care. Chuck on one of our meditations and take a few deep breaths. Your voice is sending you a message. Calm your nervous system. We love any clue that helps us tune into our bodies. When it comes to our voice, it's not always what we say. It's how we say it too. Space out.